335. The Atlantic is a big, temperamental ocean where waves can roll higher than 40 feet and winds blow strong enough to tear down a small building. Still, there's a charm to crossing the Atlantic in a boat, whether under sail or motor power. If you are looking to have an oceanic adventure, or simply want to get from point A to point B, follow these steps to cross the Atlantic. Pick the right time of year. Storms that drive you off course or do damage to the boat are your #1 enemy in an Atlantic crossing. Hurricane season in the Atlantic lasts from early summer to the last storms of early winter. Plan a time that is hurricane-free and as warm as possible for your trip. Know your boat. There's a big difference between a bay cruising boat and a boat that can withstand the tests of the Atlantic. Make sure both the boat you sail on and the crew you sail with are up to the challenge. Speaking with the skipper of the boat is a good way to start. Join a rally. Rallies are convoys of boats that cross a large body of water in a semi-competitive, and sometimes very competitive, way. The Atlantic Rally for cruisers is one of the best-known Atlantic rallies that is open to cruising boats. Check out different rallies to find one that suits your situation. Be prepared. Getting yourself prepared doesn't simply mean going through the checklist of gears and things to do, however important those things are. Crossing the Atlantic is a long process in which anything can happen. It's important to be as prepared for long stretches of windless boredom as it is for violent storms. The better you handle things as they arise, the more pleasant the journey will be.